Hey guys, it's Diamond. Welcome back. Today I have for you another unboxing, and I am unboxing my Glossybox box. I just got this today. It came pretty late in the month. I didn't know if maybe it was from the virus or something. I might have got an email about it, but I can't get into my email address that I signed up with, so I'm not sure. But anyway, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's always packaged so cute. I really like this subscription. I've gotten it for a while. Sometimes it's not the best, but it's still worth getting. So again, it's just so cute. Whoops. And it looks like the theme this month is Blossom. This is the card it comes with, and this card tells you about your products. So let's go ahead and open. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It looks like we got a couple big products. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Leighton Denny Miracle Mist Speed Drying Spray for Nail Polish. Oh, that's interesting. I've never had this before. Sorry, my puppy is barking. So let's see. Where is it? Okay, so that's fun. That's weird. It's not on here. Okay, well, I'll just read it. Lightweight and handbag friendly, Miracle Mist is the ultimate polish drying spray. Nail color is ready to go in seconds, and it's perfect for giving cuticles a moisturizing vitamin E boost. Okay, so I'll go ahead and try it. Let's see. Well, maybe I won't try it. Really? Okay, well, never mind. So the next thing I'm pulling out is this Collab Dry Shampoo Original Fragrance. That is such a cute bottle. There's love all over it. Okay, so ain't nobody got time for a full wash as baby showers, Eastern wedding panels, conference planning kicks in. That's where this award-winning dry shampoo saves the in-between wash days. All the oil absorption, no white residue. And this retails for $5.49. So that's not too bad of a price. I mean, it's a good size. It's definitely full size. Yeah, it's full size. So the next thing that I have is this Flower Bomb Nectar. It's a perfume. It's the cutest little box. Let's open it. I've never received a perfume or anything, a fragrance, before in any of my subscription boxes. Okay, so that is adorable. Look at that little bottle. It's just so cute. I have to smell before we read about it. Just kind of pulls up, and it's just one of those. It's just open. Okay, it's very scented. Ugh, I don't like it. I hate that. It's so cute. Okay, Flower Bomb Nectar. This perfume takes the essence of Victor and Rolf's bestseller Flower Bomb to a whole new level. Blackcurrant and bergamot top notes, a jasmine and orange flavor center, and a vanilla patchouli oil and a benzoin base create a sensual impression that lingers all day long. I can definitely see the lingering. I don't care for it, unfortunately. So this is a deluxe mini. It retails for $23.69. Stop. The full size is $120, and you get 1.7 ounces. So I mean, if you like the scent, that's great. That's quite a bit to use, and it's in such a cute bottle. I'll probably just put this up kind of like for display or whatever. But moving on. So next, I'm seeing this nail polish. So I guess it's cool that we got the nail drying spray. And this is really cute. It's pretty pinky. It's Blossom Kisses. So let's see. Bring in the spring with this cute nail polish from Nails Inc., a brand with focus on innovation and how beauty makes us feel. We thought this was a perfect match for this box, being cruelty-free and fitting for a spring color. Also, it's pink. Need we say more? That's cute. And it retails for $11. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is this Avant Skincare. I have gotten this several times in the past from all kinds of different boxes. So they must really want their product out there. Anyway, Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. Hydrate intensely and smooth wrinkles with this double duty face exfoliant that leaves the skin soft and supple thanks to its blend of rose and vitamin B. Okay, so I will probably put this in a giveaway because I've tried it so many times. It is really nice. I'll give it that. So I'm not upset to see it. And then it looks like this is an extra treat. Some little temporary tattoos. That's cute. So it says Flower Child Temporary Tattoos. Okay, so this bonus item is my personal fave. And it's not because it's flowers. Temporary tattoos are a symbol of the beautiful yet fleeting moments that come during spring. With 21 designs, you can customize your arms, legs, or other places for a signature look that's all you for the moments that matter. There you go. And it retails for $12.99. And it looks like it says it's hand drawn. So that's cool. Let you guys see it a little bit closer. Yeah, those are really cute. So that's fun. Okay, so it looks like that's it. That's all I got in my box. I really didn't like this. I like the fact that we're getting a full-size dry shampoo. And once I find the lid for this and try it, I'll see how I like it. But that's pretty cool to have. I've never had one of those before. The perfume is cute. I wish I liked how it smelled, but you know, not everybody's gonna like it. And then the Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. Like I said, I've gotten this brand before in the past. It's not a bad brand. I know it's pricey. Did I even tell you how much it cost? So this is a deluxe mini, but I guess the full size is $114. So that's crazy. But like I said, I'll put this in a giveaway. And if you... Oh, I forgot to tell you, the reason that I have two different eyeshadow looks going on is I just filmed a full face of e.l.f. makeup and I decided to do two different looks. So I apologize if I look crazy. But if you want to check that video out, I'll have it linked below. And just thank you so much for watching this. I hope you'll consider subscribing and like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're still here and what you thought of this box. If you get Glossybox, you know, are you impressed with it? I generally am. So that's it. Just a little short and sweet. Thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.